Do you want to reduce the overtones of your snare or toms quick and easy? Check out our Mini Muff. This little drumhead body attaches to the hoop in a flash with its clamp. Inside there's a magnet that keeps the Mini Muff in starting position. If you want a shorter sustain and fewer overtones, just flip the fluff down. You can easily adjust the position of the Mini Muff on the drum set using the Velcro strip. The closer it is to the center of the drumhead, the stronger its effect. If you remove the small weight from inside the Mini Muff, the reduction of overtones will decrease again. The Mini Muff, your fluffy friend for controlled overtones.